Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to have a multiple accounts on Wechat. First of all, you can open the Wechat application. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can see the Me option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After this, you can go to the settings and here you can see the option switch accounts. First, make sure that you update the latest version of WeChat. If you cannot update it, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. Now you can see the option switch account. Tap on it. After this, you can see the option add accounts and here you can add multiple accounts on WeChat. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one.